Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching, I am Cheraye. Welcome if you are returning. I am super excited today. Welcome back. You guys, I just got back from Bloomingdale's, okay? If you follow me on Instagram, I know that sounds like such a statement, but if you follow me on Instagram, you already know I picked up a fragrance. I asked you guys, what did you think? Should I go with Parfums de Molly Delina or should I go with the new one by Tom Ford? Okay, as soon as I got there, you guys, and I did the spray test, a little bit of a wear test. You know, I tell you to walk around, sample the fragrance for a few minutes, at least 30 to 60 minutes to see how it develops and how it dries down on you. Then make your decision. I am so excited. You guys, I can barely contain myself. Like, I haven't been this excited about a fragrance in a long time. Like, the last time I've been this excited about a fragrance is when I found Maison Francis Kirkjohn. And you know, I spent like countless videos telling you guys about how much I loved it, how much I cared about it. Oh my gosh, I heard from so many of you in my DM, and I love my community. I love you guys for that. You're like, what do you think of the new Tom Ford Rose Prick? I went out and I was just planning on sampling it, okay? I had left brunch. It's Sunday. I still got my Sunday attire on. Hello. I'm still like brunch ready, brunch mood, okay? But I'm like, I have got to get on and let them know about this fragrance before I do anything else, before I go watch Power, before I go down and watch the Oscars. I've got to let you guys know. I can't say enough. It's, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. When it hits like that, you know it's real. Okay, you guys, quick story, because you know it wouldn't even be me without a story time, okay? 2.5 seconds for a story. I went to Nordstrom's Rack last weekend and I was like ready to buy Parfums de Molly Delina. I had it in my hand. I had the lotion, the body cream, and I had the fragrance. And I was getting ready to purchase them, but it just was like, you know, like I couldn't do it. I couldn't do it. Like my husband was like, he was like, you don't even seem excited. I'm like, I know, but I love this. And he was like, but you're not even like excited. Like it doesn't seem like you. And I'm like, no, but I really like it because I really do. You guys, I do. But it just, I just put it back. I didn't get it. You guys were like, Cheraye, please let me know what you think of, you know, the new Tom Ford Rose Prick. And I'm like, I got you. I am going to Bloomingdale's. I have connections there. I'm going to get a nice sample. I'll come home. I'll sample it. I'll do a wear test. I'll wear it for a little while. I'll let you guys know what my thoughts are about it. I hadn't planned on buying it at all because, to be honest with you, I wasn't really expecting to be impressed. I wasn't expecting to really love it. After Tom Ford Lost Cherry, after Tom Ford Freaking Fabulous, after Tom Ford Lavender Extreme, after Tom Ford Metalik, I was just like, I don't know what it's gonna be. You know what I mean? Tom and I haven't been on the same wavelength for a minute. I'm just saying. Everybody has their own personal opinion. That's my opinion. Okay, so I'm like, I don't know. So I'm like, let me go in and see what it's all about. You know, I definitely want to bring it back to the channel. You guys, I walk in, and so I'm already, you know, have my black cape coat on, strutting through, walking through and whatnot, have my glasses on, like, hello darlings, I'm here, right? And so I see my friends there, and I'm like, yeah, I want to try out the new Tom Ford, you know, Rose Prick. That name, I've got to do more details. So anyhow, they're like, okay, let us let you smell it. So I'm going, okay. So I'm in the Bloomingdale's, and I take it out, and I smell it, and I'm like, oh my gosh, you know, like, I didn't want to act, you know, you don't want to appear like you're so, like, oh my god, I want it. You just want to act like, okay, I've smelled that before, no big deal. You know, that's how you want to act. You want to give it to them like that. So I'm smelling it, and I'm saying to myself, oh my, keep your composure, Cheraye, keep your composure. And then I said, maybe it's just a bottle. So I told myself, I said, spray it on your arm. So I rolled my sleeve up here, just like this, guys. Sprayed it on. Shh. I went about my way. I told the sales associate, I'll be back. Let me do a couple of, you know, walk around, see how it meshes down and settles in on me. And they're like, okay, you guys, I totally made up those words. Go with it. So I go and I smell it, and my guy is looking at me, and I'm like, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. And he's like, what's wrong? And I'm like, oh, I think I love it. And he's like, let me smell it. I'm like, oh my gosh. Okay, you smell it. And he smelled it, and he's like, oh my. He's like, that really does smell good. I'm like, I know, right? And I was like, keep calm. So I'm still smelling it, and I'm like waiting for it to like leave, to disappear. It's like 30 minutes in now, and I'm like waiting for it to just, you know, for me to have a, you guys, it's a pretty penny. So I was waiting like, okay, don't really like it. Like, please don't really like it, you know? And I'm like, okay, let me go back in and smell it again. And I'm like, darn. So I go over to the register. The guy's name is Cheyenne at the Bloomingdale location in Century City. Thank you so much. Or at the Century City Mall, I should say. Anyhow, you were amazing. Thank you so much for all your help. You guys, I get the fragrance, okay? Ta-da! I secured not only the bag, I secured the brown bag and the fragrance. So let's talk about it. It is just a first impression, you guys. I have not been able to wear it yet. You are getting it with me. I am coming right from the Bloomingdale's fresh to my camera to film this video for you guys. So I don't have all the details, but give me time. I will get them. I really hadn't planned on buying it. I was just getting a sample, but you guys, it smells so good. Oh my gosh, and it's sexy. Okay, you know me. The minute I smelt it, where's my card? Because I had a card. Hold on a second. Oh, here it is right here. This is all I had planned on bringing home, okay? Was this, because they weren't giving out samples because they were like, I can make you one, blah, blah, blah. Time she said she was going to make me one, I was already 30 minutes into my arm spray, and I was like, forget a sample, girl. I want the bottle. You know what I mean? So I was like, okay, but this is all I had planned on bringing to the channel today, was just a little sample card. Look at that. It says Tom Ford. You see, I had done my research, everything like that, sprayed the card, sprayed my body. I was gonna do a wear test, you guys. I am so excited. Oh my gosh. If you like rose, if you like sexy, see, I'm the kind of girl, I'm a particular girl that likes a fragrance to be sexy. I like it to be deep. I like it to move me. I like it to take me there, transport me, send me someplace. The minute I sprayed this on and I smelt it, I was just like, yes. Okay, it's dark enough, yet heavy enough, yet light enough to be able to get it all. And I know you might be thinking, Sheree, what does that even mean? You guys, it's good. Okay, you know I only say it if I absolutely mean it. I bought this, I purchased this with my own coins, and you all know I've been telling you I am broke. Okay, I do not even have $2. I do not even have $2. But you guys, this was so good. My husband's like, are you seriously wanting to get this? And I'm like, yes, like I absolutely love it. He was like, well, I could see the smile on your face. I see how you're like getting all giddy over it. I know that you like it. He was like, but like, do you just want to buy it like right now? I'm like, yeah, I want to buy it right now. I told you, I do not blind buy. But if I smell it and it gives me this kind of reaction and I can do it and the means are there, oh, she's gonna get it, okay? And I got it. So let's go right into it. Here's the little box that came in from the Bloomingdale's counter. Here it is, you guys. OMG, it's so good. Okay, so am I back? Let me put myself back in focus. Okay, so I'm back. So it looks like this. The bottle was like a matte. It's like a matte. You know, ladies, you know, if you wear like a matte lipstick or you like your makeup, if you like your makeup to be matte, it was more of a matte type of bottle. I'm all about a dewy finish. I like a dewy finish, a dewy glow, tons of highlight. I mean, I'm sure you know that by now. If you're new to the channel and you like the vibe so far, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you want to ensure you never miss a video, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you like the video, please, you guys, thumb this videos up. This is just impromptu. I bought it and I brought it right to you. I'm going to try and edit this and get it right out to you so that you can have it before Valentine's Day. So this is what the bottle looks like, you guys. I don't have all the details, so bear with me, okay? This is a 50 ml. This is a 1.7 fluid ounce. Like I said, this is a pretty penny. Price tag here for those of you that want to know the price. You guys, this retails for $335. Oh my gosh. Comes out to a total of $366.83 with tax, and that is US dollars, okay? And then it just opens up just like this. The bottle looks like this. Like I said, it's a matte finish. It's called Tom Ford Rose Prick. I think prick is not something good, right? Prick. You're such a prick. I don't think that's a good thing. Tom, you are really pushing it with these names, but okay, I'm here for this fragrance, you guys. When I first smelt it, okay, so this is what it looks like, okay? This is what it looks like, you guys. I will be back with a full detail. I've had it on about 4 hours at this point, and it still smells amazing. It still smells really, really good. The reason why I bought it, because it's everything that I embody in a fragrance. Not only do I want it to smell good, you guys, I like a fragrance to be sexy. I am in love, okay? I am head over heels in love. I love love, and I need a fragrance to be so sexy for me. That's really the type of fragrances that move me. A fragrance that's sexy, that has depth, class, sophistication, elegance, that's unique, that's different. This was different. It did not smell like the perfume counter. It did not smell like every other fragrance that's over there. It did not smell like something that you've seen, heard, been, done there before. But it smelled like something that just transported me immediately. Of course, I was there with my guy. I smelled it and I looked at him and I just thought, like, this is sexy. Like, you already know. It's a unisex fragrance. This is for men and it's for women. The both of you can share it. I don't know. I mean, guys are different today. Maybe they won't mind a matte pink bottle sitting on their, you know, dresser or their bathroom counter, or maybe even their, you know, perfume tray. Maybe they won't mind it. I don't think there's anything wrong with it. It is sexy. It is fabulous. It's in the Tom Ford, you know, traditional bottle. It's from their private blend collection and it is good. I have not bought one of their private blend collections in a long time, but this one right here, it moved me. I told you before, Lost Cherries, Tom Ford Frickin' Fabulous, Tom Ford Metalique, Tom Ford Soleil Neige, all good, 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 good. This, hello, excuse you, this right here, it's good, good. I am super excited. Fragrance makes me so happy, you guys. And this right here, I absolutely love it. Now, you know, I'm only going to tell you the truth. I always recommend do as I was trying to do, which was to go down, get a sample, spray it on, put it on my body and see how I like it. But when it hits you like that and you know that 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 you know, there was no reason to wait. I just bought it. I bought it. I did not blind buy it. I purchased it, did a wear test for about 30 to 45 minutes, and then I said, that's it, wrap it up. He's going home with me. It is good, good, and it is amazing. Let me give you some of the notes. I pulled it up here on Fragnatica. Some of the notes would be, oh my goodness, I haven't even heard of these notes. This is this is pepper, turmeric. Heart notes would be May rose, Turkish rose, Bulgarian rose, patchouli, tonka bean. That's probably why I love it. I love tonka bean. I love patchouli. I love Bulgarian rose. It has a lot of good notes in it. It's set to be a warm, spicy, rose, patchouli, balsamic type fragrance, and it's just good. It says that it's good for the winter, the spring. It doesn't say it's really good for the summer, but it says that it's appropriate for fall, day or night. So it's up to you when you wear it. I find it to be more of a date night scent. I find it to be more of an evening scent. Even if you want to go there, you could say that it would be appropriate for more of a special occasion. I mean, a special occasion, not an everyday scent, but you know I don't live my life like that, you guys. Life is too short. I don't wait for occasions to wear my fragrances, to carry my bags, to do anything like that in life. Every single time that God allows me to wake up to see another day, it's a special occasion. Life is a gift, and I take it and I celebrate it daily. So if I wake up and I feel like putting this on, then I'm just gonna rock it and put it on. I'm not waiting for a special occasion, but I do think that it is, you know, worthy of a special occasion. If you were gonna go out on a date, if you were going to make this your signature scent for an evening type date, you know, I think it would be appropriate. Let me wear it and play with it a little bit. This just might be my fragrance for Valentine's Day. I hadn't made up my mind. I was gonna wear Baccarat Rouge 540, the extrait version, but now I don't know. I'm probably gonna wear this just because I want to give my guy something different. And this is good. The color is good. The timing is good. I mean, what can I say? It's good, good. You guys, that is it for this video. I cannot make up more than what I have to give you. This is a first impression. This is an unboxing. Let me also show you this. Like I said, I did get this at the Bloomingdale's. I always tell you, when you go to the Bloomingdale's, you're making a purchase, especially a significant purchase. Always try and get yourself as many samples as you can so that you can play around and see what other fragrances that you like that might be next on your list to buy. So they did give me this nice thing here, which is I don't even know what this is, you guys, but it's a bunch of different fragrances in here. A bunch of Hermes samples that are in here, a little atomizer, just a bunch of different things in here that are all fragrances related that are samples. I tell you, this is how you get your samples. Some of you were asking me about Burberry for her, so I got a couple of samples now so I can give you a review on that. I've got about 3 or 4 samples so I can do a review. A bunch of differently Hermes Twilly samples in here. Ferragamo, Come in Ammo, I actually own this fragrance, and then Hermes here, and just like a bunch of different atomizers. Oh, this is Clyde Christian. They gave me a Clyde Christian atomizer filled with fragrance already, and then he said that this is one that comes out to be $800. Oh my gosh, I don't know what this is. This is an atomizer here filled with Clive Christian. All I remember him saying is something about it being from their $800 brand. So I don't know. I'll have to, you know, check it out. Oh, that smells like money. You know she loves anything that smells like money. But I tell you, not just rich. This is wealth. Oh my. Okay, stay tuned. Review coming soon. You guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Questions, leave them in the comment section below. What is my opinion of this? You've seen it. I bought it. I bought it on site. What do the kids say these days? I bought it on site. It hit different. I bought it. I purchased it. I absolutely love it. I will be back with a detailed review on how it performs, on the longevity, the sillage, everything like that. But for today, I give it 2 thumbs up. It is good. Until next time, guys, you know the drill. Be blessed, stay fit, and definitely stay fabulous. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.